Hi friends, in this video we will discuss what are the prerequisites of Angular CLI. The first point is to install Angular CLI, we have to install node.js and npm. You can get the latest version of Node and npm in the given link. It is also provided in the description. And also we have to install npm, that means Node Package Manager. The command is npm install. It installs required npm packages, node packages. To install TypeScript, the command is npm install -g TypeScript. Why we use -g is to install it globally to your machine. To install Angular CLI into our machine, we have to type the command npm install -g space angular-cli. Once when you complete installing Node and npm, run the command prompt as administrator and type the command to install Angular CLI. The shortcut of this command is npm space I space -g at angular. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss about the how to create an Angular project using Visual Studio Code. Thank you.